How to change a card on Shein app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and open up your Shein application. Make sure to log in to your Shein account. Once you are logged in, you will land in this homepage. Select the option of Me, which is at the bottom of the dashboard. From here, select the option of the setting gear icon at the top. Select My Payment Options. Now, to change a card on Shein, select Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card number, expiration date and your CVV to confirm. Once the card is successfully added, you can easily remove the existing card by tapping on the delete icon. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, press and hold your Shein application and head to App Info. From here, you have to select the option of Force Stop. Tap on Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. On to the next step, go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store. In there, we'll be searching for any existing update. Search for Shein application in the search bar. Tap on it, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.